I'm feeling like unity is a whole vibe out here right now, man. I feel unified with my Nagas, man. I feel unified, man. We are seeing the evidence, man, of the topic of unity being cool out here, man. You know, it feels good to talk about loving my Naga, you know what I'm saying? Loving my brother, loving my sister. Everybody ain't gonna get along with the get down, man. But we getting up, man. We on cool right now. I'm hearing, man, Nagas in Compton doing treaties. You know what I'm saying? Individual Nagas is doing treaties with individuals, man. And it's just looking cool. I mean, the OGs, young homies, everyone's kind of seeing the big picture, man. We ain't really our ops. And only the pain and the emotion of this Naga on Naga, more on more, black on black, you know, war that we keep being constructed in, man, because of this construct. But the con is being structured. That junk DNA is popping off. They call it 99% junk DNA, boss. Nah, boss. I feel the unity, man. I feel the unity. The unity is the code. We most high over everything. And it feels so good, don't you agree, man? And keep the water flowing. Keep that unity flow, man. Halal HaWah.